Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Mauritius Praveen Kumar Jugnauth today jointly inaugurated the developmental projects at the Agaliaga Island in Mauritius. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay the foundation stone and dedicate to the nation multiple development projects worth over 17,500 crore rupees across Madhya Pradesh. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal underscored the urgent need for rebuilding trust within the World Trade Organization and ensuring the effective implementation of its decisions at the 30th Ministerial Conference in Abu Dhabi. Jal Shakti Ministry has signed agreement with 12 technical education institutions for academic and research collaboration towards basin management of 6 rivers. A comprehensive voter awareness campaign, Mera Pehla Vote Desh Ke Liye, is being organized in different higher educational institutions across the country to ensure universal, enlightened participation of youth in elections.